If you're looking to create multi-language ads quickly and effectively, AdCreative AI is the perfect tool to help you scale your digital marketing efforts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AdCreative AI to create compelling multi-language ads in minutes, no matter where your audience is. Stick around until the end, because I'll also reveal how you can get started with an exclusive extended free trial, plus some extra bonuses to help you boost your ad performance. AdCreative AI is a powerful platform designed to help businesses generate high-quality ads quickly and easily using AI-driven technology. One of its standout features is the ability to create multi-language ads, making it perfect for businesses targeting global audiences. It's an invaluable tool for marketers, especially when you need to reach customers in different regions without the hassle of manually translating and adapting your creatives. To get started, simply sign up for AdCreative AI. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can create your ads. First, you'll select the type of ad you want to create, whether it's for social media, display ads, or other formats. The platform gives you a variety of templates to choose from, each optimized for different ad platforms like Facebook, Google, and Instagram. These templates are built to get you the best results, so you don't have to waste time designing from scratch. Now, when it comes to creating multi-language ads in AdCreative AI, the process is straightforward. You'll first input the details of your ad in one language, such as your text, images, and any other creative elements. From there, AdCreative AI allows you to generate versions of your ad in multiple languages with just a few clicks. The AI can translate your text and adjust the design to fit cultural preferences, all while maintaining the high-quality standards you expect. This multi-language feature is perfect for businesses looking to target international audiences or run global campaigns. Instead of spending hours working with translation services or localizing each ad manually, AdCreative AI automates the process, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your ads. Whether you're targeting Spanish-speaking countries, regions in Asia, or other diverse markets, this tool has got you covered. Another great feature of AdCreative AI is its ability to optimize your ads for performance in different languages. By analyzing data from previous campaigns, the software automatically adjusts creative elements and language to improve your results. You can also A/B test different ad versions to see which one performs best in each language and location. This is incredibly valuable because it helps you scale your ads with confidence, knowing you're getting the best return on investment for every market you target. If you're wondering about the quality of translations, don't worry. AdCreative AI uses advanced algorithms to ensure that your message is communicated effectively across languages. While no machine translation is perfect, the platform does a great job of maintaining the tone and context of your original message. Once you've created your multi-language ads, you can download them and start running your campaigns. AdCreative AI integrates with popular ad platforms like Facebook and Google Ads, making it easy to upload your creatives and start advertising right away. You can also track the performance of your ads through the platform's analytics dashboard to see how your campaigns are performing across different languages. And the best part? You can try AdCreative AI completely free by clicking the first link below in the description. With our exclusive bonuses, you'll get extra perks that will help you get the most out of this software. If you're looking to level up your digital marketing game and expand your reach to global audiences, AdCreative AI is the tool you need. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the link to start your free trial now and create multi-language ads like a pro. Don't miss out on the extended free trial and exclusive bonuses available only through this video. Thanks for watching and happy ad creating.